Welcome back to Crafting with 3D Science. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this. This is DTF transfer and it's so easy to do. I'm so excited. I made this shirt, like I made the design and I put it on the shirt and it was so easy to do and the colors are so vibrant. So in the video coming, I'll show you how I did this. It was like within 10 minutes, not even minute, 5 minutes, I was done with this shirt. So it's so easy to do. I'm so excited. And this is my first time doing DTF. Okay, watch the video and see how I did it. Let's go. So this is my heat press. I put some parchment paper on top of it to protect it so that, to protect my mat. Okay, and my temperature is 280 degrees and I will press my shirt for 15 seconds. Okay, and here is my shirt that I'm going to do. To find the middle of the shirt, I'm going to fold my shirt in half, matching the sleeves and everything. I'm gonna fold it in half, okay, like that, and find the middle. Most of the shirts, they come out with the middle, with a line in the middle already. Okay, and I'm gonna put it over here, and then I'm going to press out the air of my shirt a little bit so that it can lay flat and it's ready for pressing. I'll use Teflon sheet on top of it, and then I'm going to press it so that it's like ironing it out for a few seconds. Okay, and then it's ready to print my image on top of it, my DTF image. I'm so excited for this, guys, so excited. Okay, you see the line there, so I'm going to make a line in my work too. I'm going to match, like align these parts so that I can find the middle and make some dents in it. And then I'm going to align the middle of the shirt and the middle of the paper. Like I put 3 fingers from the neck down, and I'm going to press this shirt. Okay, you see that the line in the middle with the line of the image, and I'm going to cover it again with my Teflon sheet, and I'm pressing it for 280 degrees for 15 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds, and then it will be ready. It will be ready. I'm so excited for this, guy. I'm very excited because the outcome is very nice, very nice. This is the ideal way for t-shirt businesses to make t-shirts and sell t-shirts. Okay, I'm going to peel it off. Okay, peel it off all the way, and then I'm going to place my Teflon sheet over it once more, and I'm going to press it for 5 more seconds. Yep, 5 more seconds. And then it will be ready to go. Okay, let's see that. Ooh. My shirt is ready. My shirt is ready. Look at that, guys. It's so easy to do, and it's so you don't have to use much time on it. Look at that. I printed. Oh, look at that. Very nice. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at that. This is the way to go. Okay, this is my first shirt. Now I'm going to press one more. The same process, the same things I'm doing. I'm going to press the air out, like press it like you're ironing it with the heat press. I put my Teflon sheet over it. I'll press it for like 5 seconds so that it can be straight and flat for my DTF sheet to go on it. Okay, it's gonna be ready. And this one, I'm going to fold the shirt, like take it off from it, and then fold it and find the middle of it. Find the center of the shirt, like the line from the neck down. Yep, and I found it right there. And I'm going to lay it back on my heat press. You see the line? The line is right there. And then I'm gonna take my sheet again, my DTF sheet. I'm going to find the middle of it. Yeah, here is my work. Like I'll fold it like from image to image, like right there. You see that? And I'm going to find. Look where I hold. I don't pinch into the design. I pinch into the empty spaces of the paper. Okay. I have one more piece to place on top of it. Yep, okay, this piece, I found the center too. And then I place it right there. And I'm gonna press my shirt. Let's go. My Teflon sheet or over it, place my Teflon sheet over it. And then I'm going to press it 280 degrees for 15 seconds. And then we will have our second shirt. I'm so excited for these shirts, guys, because like I said before, this is the way to go for t-shirt businesses. If you're making shirts, you're making wholesale shirts, a lot of t-shirts, DTF is the way to go. DTF is the way to go. Look how easy this is. Okay, my shirt is ready. This is the second shirt. I'm going to press it one more time, like 5 more seconds over it. And then it will be ready. So 15 seconds, in the beginning, 15 seconds with your Teflon sheet over it. After that, you rip the plastic off and you do it 5 more seconds with your Teflon sheet on top of it. And then you are ready to go. And here is my second shirt. Look how amazing it is. It came out really well. So you watched the video, you see how easy it was to do. So I believe that DTF is the way to go for t-shirt businesses. If you want to create nice designs and print them on DTF plastic and create a DTF transfer and slap it on a shirt, this is easy and affordable. This is the way to go for t-shirt businesses. If you need this DTF, this design, I will put the link below in my description and you can order it from us. We will ship it out to you within no time. And it's also affordable and the colors are amazing. And look how beautiful this shirt is. And for more information, I will make more videos and tell you guys how you can print your DTF transfers through my company and how to order shirts and how to order bulk printed shirts on wholesale and all that. I will have more information in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I love my shirt.